So a contract like this, it includes 6 schools spread out in the Live Oak School District. Each school has a variety of different equipment. We've got water source units, package units, split systems, PTACs. Basically, we come in on a project like this and go through each individual piece of equipment with a fine-tooth comb.
So we survey the equipment. It's in deplorable condition, completely neglected, and they have been paying a ton of money in call-outs and repairs, and just really getting no relief.
It's easy for us because we know what all of our jobs look like when we get done with them. So when we go up to systems like this that have been basically neglected, it's easy to see what needs to be done. I mean, we found filters in some of the units that haven't been changed in years. Our main thing so far has really been coils. Just filthy, with restricts airflow, causes the system to work harder. We've cleaned a bunch of coils in one school, and the teachers already told me that they got teachers complaining that they're cold now. Not complaining, but it's a happy complaint. When we take over a job like this or any of our contracts, our goal is obviously first to save the customer money, and ultimately it's customer comfort.
What we found is that customers have been trained by bad contractors to expect poor service. We have flipped that around, and now we've got to retrain them like, oh no, this is what you should expect. This is an air conditioning unit. It should be cold, you should be comfortable, and that's what you can expect from Star Service.